As you all probably know at this point, Katie Porter is running for U.S. Senate. She's running for Dianne Feinstein's seat. And we've had all kinds of crazy crap go down in the last couple of weeks. First of all, Feinstein's staff said that she was going to retire at the end of her term. And then later that day, there was a report that she said she didn't actually do that because she has dementia and she can't remember the shit she does, right? So she had a battle with her staff because they already put the statement out, and she's like, "What? I didn't do that." Okay, but so for Katie Porter's seat, Katie is probably the top contender in this race right now. It's probably going to boil down to Katie Porter and Barbara Lee. But Barbara Lee is not as good at fundraising. That's her only downfall. It would be great if Barbara Lee got in too, because it would be a historic candidate, right? But the fact that Adam Schiff is in the race makes it more complicated because he steals from the same voter base as Barbara Lee, because they're both in the LA area and they're both kind of establishment. But on top of it, you've got the Lantern House now doing a fundraiser for Adam Schiff. That's the top fundraiser in California. Scott, what are you thinking, dude? Well, I know you give fundraisers to everybody, whatever. That's like your business. Okay. So, oh, by the way, I did talk to my team lead yesterday, and Adam Schiff's office is in East Hollywood. That Vanity Fair article was incorrect. There's only a very small portion of his district that's actually in the San Gabriel Valley, and dude lives in Burbank, which is San Fernando Valley. His office is in East Hollywood. Okay, so and they reported Katie as being a two-term congresswoman when in fact she's on her third term right now. Joanna Weiss is one of the other people who is running. She, I think, is very connected to the HB Huddle, which they've recently renamed themselves to the OC Huddle. So they're trying to like claim up more region for their influence. She's okay, advocate, for founder, former president of Wave for All. The Wave is like I believe, if I'm correct on this one, Wave is one of these organizations that encourages women to run. But by all looks of this, as somebody who is a politico, who has been working in Orange County since 2017, amongst all of these people, it seems very much like she's in the race, like Laura Oatman was, to drop out and then endorse Harley Ruda, because that's how he does. He has an entire troll network of people that do this bullshit for him. And by the way, Laura Oatman just won e-board for the Assembly District delegate elections. So he was already trying to pick up delegate seats. Now we have this person in the race who probably can't raise money and who will probably drop out and endorse Harley. I would be very surprised. Like, I mean, Joanna, if you want to like call me up and tell me why you have a viable campaign against Dave Min, who is fully deserving of this seat, I'd love to hear it. I'd love to fucking hear it. I'd love to fucking hear it. Oh my God, even. Oh, wait, let me go back to it. Let me go back. Okay. Because she just posted something. Oh, she's recirculating Natalie Moser. Okay. That was one of the ADEM candidates who I think was at least formerly on Huntington Beach City Council. I don't know if she still is. Oh, jeez. All right, let's take a look at this. needs a fresh new leader who is focused on the big challenges we face as a country. And here in Orange County today, I'm proud to announce my candidates. Oh, because this is her pinned tweet. This chick has been showing up as like a recommended ad on Facebook for me for fucking years, you guys. I think she's totally down with the huddle. But okay, this is it. It was an honor to attend the OCYD, that's Orange County Young Democrats, Obama Awards last night, and congratulate all of the worthy honorees who are powering the Democratic Party. How many people in that fucking picture look young to you? They look like young Democrats. This was a complaint I got from one of my political contacts fucking years ago, that it's a bogus operation. They're not actually endorsing young people. How many people in that fucking photo look young to you? The Orange County Young Democrats Obama Awards celebrate our collective hard work in electing Democrats at the local, state, and federal levels of government. I am pleased to support their mission. Yeah, if that was truly their mission, but it's... Oh my God, even. Okay, Joanna, if you want my support, you better fucking reach out to me, because I'm not going to give it to you over Dave Min. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to support Dom either. Right? Dom's on my friends list. You're not even on my friends list. Dom is on my friends list. I like her. I respect her. But I think that Dave is more qualified. Period. And every time y'all are like, well, he's a man, right? Well, he is still a person of color. He's Asian. Let's be real. And one of the biggest things that we've had to face in Orange County is an insane uptick in hate crimes against Asians, right? He has name recognition in this district. What is your political experience? And that's my complaint against Dom too, is like, what is your political experience? Did you even like serve as like on a subcommittee at all? Oh my God, I don't know what the Democratic Party of Orange County is even thinking right now with all the bullshit that they're pushing into my social media.